Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm opening a spring swap from my friend Jana. Now, she and I did what was supposed to be an Easter swap, but it's getting to be a little bit late, which I can't say that I mind. This is so cute. Okay, I'm not sure if this is meant for my daughter or, let's see here, this might be. But my girls are definitely going to be the recipients of these fun little treats. We have daughters of the same age, and we often send each other gifts for one another. And they are going to be over the moon when they see Peeps. I don't know if they've ever had Peeps. We have them here in Canada, but I don't think we've ever bought them. And they're going to be super excited to get that. And I think this is probably a fun little package for my daughter. We each send some cute things to each other. I love the pastel. Okay, let's take everything out and have a look at all of the different items in here. Look at these cute little M&M bunny ears. That's adorable in the pastel colors. Super fun. Okay, move the box out of the way. Got all this pretty shred. I guess I can put it in here. I really love these colors. That's good for a number of times of year. Those are good too. And I have a pastel shirt on for the opening. Unplanned. Okay, let's see where to begin. Well, let's start with this because we can actually already see what's in here. These are beautiful. Now, she has gifted me, I'm trying to remember, it's Prima Flowers, Frank Garcia Studio. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is all from the same collection. Butterflies. She's decorated the tops of each one. I just love those little mushrooms. This is my happy place. Nature is all you need. That's true. Oh, I love these dots that she's got on there. That's really pretty collage, the way that she's put that all together. And then she's gifted me, oh my gosh, she's gifted me all of the same line here. So this is the I'm not sure what the brand is because it's hidden, and I don't know their collections as well. But that is really generous of her to give me an entire sort of collection of the butterflies and the flowers and the ephemera and these stickers. Everything matches so beautifully. And some charms there. And is this maybe a paper pad to match? I love this craft wrapping that she's done here with these fun little tags. That is super cute. Aha, it is matching. Wow. So I've got a whole paper pad. So this is Nature Lover is what the name of the collection is. And you can see, all the butterflies. Oh, and this is really nice. They are double-sided papers. I really appreciate when a paper pad has double-sided papers because I like working on a project that I can use my die cuts, and quite often I want to be able to see both sides of the project. Okay, I love this feel of this little glassine bag, and it looks like there's a beautiful set of ephemera in here, and it looks like it may all be that nature collection as well. So there we go there. Fun little ephemera that will all match. Cute. Whoop. I love those little mushrooms. And she's created, oh, I love it, her own little bee wax seal. That's really nice. I wouldn't mind having one of those. And she's decorated this package all really very beautiful. So again, not your typical spring Easter type of colors. So it doesn't even matter that it's coming to me after Easter, because this is very much a spring kind of collection. Oh, she's made the tag flip. Beautiful. Very well packaged. I just used that same collection or a similar one because I can recognize one of those butterflies, but is it in a different color? It is. So I wonder if there's more than one collection. There we go. I love this gold ring that she's got everything on, and these really sturdy cards that she's created. Oh, again with the mushrooms. This is a really pretty collection. I think this actually might have come to me on Earth Day, and I think that's when it came in the mail, and this would have been perfect to open up. I can't believe she gave me this next thing I can see there. I almost opened this up. I hadn't been feeling well, and I had been having a particularly busy week, and I never like to open a product, a box when I feel rushed. I want to make sure I have time to really go through and enjoy it, and this is beautiful. She must know that I've been having a butterfly kick lately, where I've really been using butterflies in all my projects. That is really, this is a beautiful tag flip. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before, and if you could feel how sturdy it feels in my hand, it just has a really nice weight to it. Oh, look at these cute little, she made a tag with these pockets here. Adventures fill your soul. I love these sparkly gems that are on each, or the enamel dots. Those are beautiful. And again, some more things tucked in there. Really nice. Okay, and that same sort of character was here. Is it the exact same one? No, it's a similar sort of cutie. It's like a child dressed up. Okay. Just open that. Now we've maintained that fun little tag. Those beautiful gold gems. I like this gold bag. Let's see, reusing that. Ah, some yummy little chocolates hiding in there. Always love chocolate. Put it with the rest of my goodies over here. I think chocolate's one of my favorite things to get in a Happy Mail outside of all the beautiful paper creations and stuff. I always love to get chocolates. I love the way that she's wrapped this box, and oh my gosh, look what she's made me. What a surprise. It is one of those. Now, I wonder if you made this, or if this is I know Paige Evans has a new collection now where you can, oh my gosh, there's so much to see. Take these she's got little gifts inside here. So she's got some tea, some washi, some more little gems, and some socks. I might as well open up the socks while we're here. Almost like an ombre. Very pretty. Nice. Thing to match my daughter's socks. And then here is like an amazing box that I could put little pictures in and create a little mini album. Wow. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh my gosh, there's things tucked away. Oh, she made me some of those. That's so perfect. That's great. I was just saying how I wish I had one of those stamps, but now I don't even need to because she's made me some. I have a little set here of wax seals, and I have a little L for my last name that I use and make my own seals, but they're a lot of work to get them just right. Admit one in a glassine bag. Wow, this is amazing. There's a little gift in each side. Some little stickers. Perfect for planners. Oh, cute. I was not expecting one of these box explosions. And then some tags to create. Wow, that is really pretty. I gotta show you the other sides of the box here. I can't believe she's decorated both the front and the back so beautifully. All the butterflies. Definitely a theme here. Wow, thank you so much, Jana. This is lovely. The girls will be ecstatic to see the candy. And yeah, I'm going to have to think about what I can do with this beautiful exploding box that you created for me. Because, let's go back in here. Because this is just stunning. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will link where you can find Jana on Instagram down below, as well as the video that of what I sent to her. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.